on this roof for a Togo sandwich shop. Let's go see what we get into. I think it's that Bryant unit right there. Let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and take all the screws off the panel here. We'll get into this little guy. And we'll see what we can see in there. Okay, got the cover off. Got a little snowball going on there. And there we go there. Let's find out why our indoor blower's not running. There she goes. Let me dig into this thing for a second. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down. So I got this little ratchet in my tool bag, and it comes in handy for especially the Bryant units. You can't really get your net dragger in there, even the short one. So you can get your little ratchet to get into these tight spots. Power turned off, and we'll check this capacitor here. It looks small and check it out. Here's my reading, 0. You can see she's all swelled up and blown up. She's a 15 microfarad goner. See if I got a freshie on the truck. Take a look. Okay. It's the old school right here. She's a little tired. Team Bryant. I like where they put the run cap for the compressors back there. And then your PTCRs right here. For the same store. So I think I'm going to take a look inside there and see if that's belt drive. It should be, if I remember right. I'll take a look at that too since I'm up here. Okay, I had one on the truck. You'll see it's a round one. Run cap's a run cap. 15 microfarads. It's good. I get the round ones from the refrigeration wholesale house. And you'll see I got some round clamps for them because I don't want to be the run cap bandit. I'll get that in and then show you. So we do got a spare cap for it. We'll get it on there and see how she does. Spare cap. A new cap, ding dong. Come on, Dave, learn how to talk. My grammar's horrible. You should see my spelling. Okay, let's get this hooked up. Okay, so there's the cap reinstalled. Let's see the door off. I'll put the door on. I got the Bluetooth turned on the UEI. I'll take a screenshot because I'm filming with the camera. We'll see what that looks like. Amp drums, coil looking like. And the compressor. Let me button this up, and we'll see what the amp drum on that motor looks like with the door on. Tidied up the wires a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put the smart probes on. Again, I won't be able to film that because I'm filming with my camera, but I will get a screenshot, see what the charge looks like. We'll see how this little guy's doing here. Okay, another cool feature with the UEI is you can get your temperature split. I'm going to put the cover back on here. There's my returner. This had an economizer on there, as you can see. It's toast, so it's been decommissioned. So it's just straight up filters aren't too bad. So we'll get this cover back on here on the returner. And we'll get some readings. turner, that's our supplier, that's our split. Right now, it's 66 degrees outside here. There's a load down in the restaurant. You can toggle through this. T1 is 68 degrees. T2 is 48 degrees. That gives us a split right there. And I'll take a screenshot too. I got it on the Bluetooth. I'll post up a picture of the screenshot of the smart probes. So 66 degrees outside, no fan cycling on this for the head pressure. I'm about 95 condensing and a 35 degree evaporator. The calculated super heat for the conditions is around 16. I think I'm at 17. This one has those little orifices that are built into the evaporator coil on the inlets. Alright, so I thought that'd be cool to show you. Okay, quick little peek at the neighbor. It's belt drive like I thought it was. And she looks alright. I don't do any maintenance at this place. They might have someone doing some maintenance. Looks like it. The filters weren't in bad shape, so. But I wanted to check it because these guys will be calling me, so I want to make sure at least most of the stuff's going to be working for them. This unit here is newer. It didn't get the nice roof paint. Let's see here, yeah, not too bad. Someone's doing maintenance for him. That's alright, cool. Okay, that's what I got for this one, the old run cap special. It's really windy up here today. So, I think you've seen in my videos, I said we don't have residential air conditioning here, but we have tons of commercial. We do have commercial air conditioning. All these buildings. Alright. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.